G'day! In today's video, I've got a Gigabyte AORUS. Where are we? 3080 Gigabyte AORUS 3080 10 gig model. This particular one is due for some thermal paste, as it is getting a few years on it now. And if you want it to continue living for a few years longer, it's definitely worthwhile doing. I'll ask you to ignore my air compressor you can hear in the background. These two are small screws. These ones are longer screws, thus I'm putting them in a different spot in my tray. Short screws, longer screws, short screws, longer screws. And what's these one going to be? Also longer screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all the same length. These two at the back are different. I'm curious if this back plate will come off. No. I'll continue. I'll take off the screws for the CPU, the GPU die, or at least where it mounts up to it. Whoop, I only lost those screws. Got a few more along the front here. 6 there, but I'm going to leave them. I don't think they're quite necessary just yet. Now we do have a few fan connectors up here. Fan connector, assumably ARGB. And what else can I see? Screw here, screw here. I don't know if this is going to separate just yet. Oh yeah, we're looking to separate. No. Yes, there we go. Bingo. I'm going to fold this towards myself. I do see a couple of connections here. Hard to see right there in the light, but there is one just here. I'm going to disconnect that one. Just going to crab walk it left and right. Hopefully. I know a lot of these graphics fan headers like to rip off the board, or rip out the actual plug that it goes to. Oh, there's another sneaky one there. So this one goes here, that one goes down here. Wiggle that out again. Go. I should be able to fold it just like that. There we go. So we can see some very dry thermal paste going on. Thermal pads are still nice and tacky, so I'm content with those. I'm going to put some isopropyl alcohol on here. Same with down here. Actually, I probably should scrape away some of that first. What have I got that's safe? In most instances, I would normally just chip away the dry thermal paste with a pair of tweezers. I don't recommend doing that, especially if you haven't had any experience with it, or had any experience with removing thermal paste. I'm trying to think of a better way for you at home to be able to do that without damaging your GPU. Especially with something of this caliber. You wouldn't want to accidentally destroy a 3080. That would definitely be tear bringing, I reckon. Going by how dry that thermal paste is right there, I'd say we're probably going to get a pretty healthy temperature drop on here. Now when I'm done with this, I will give it a dust blowout, but I'll do that off camera after I replace the thermal paste. Just trying to get my nail in there and sliding it along the edge of the GPU. It's just the tissue under there. I don't need thermal paste under my fingernail. It's not exactly great stuff. There we go. That's what I wanted. I'm going to use an old toothbrush. Let's go over it. This is just thermal paste, it's non-conductive. So It wouldn't matter hugely if you leave it still on the board, but it is meant to design to hold heat, or transfer heat. If it's done something it shouldn't be, it's not great for that component. Put down some more. Okay. Just a little brush in between. Some more on here. I'm starting to run out of this stuff now. I gotta refill it. Starting to get, there's still a bit of thermal paste on the die itself. It's been very stubborn. I have to say that I'm actually seeing a few hot spots, or hot specks on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They almost line up with these dots on here. Interesting. Don't know what that means, but I don't know if it's stained or what the go is with it. It's like this thermal paste right here that just doesn't want to leave the die. So I'm not going to risk scratching that. After I already tried scratching at it, I want to risk scratching it and damaging it. There's my pair of tweezers. There's my pair of tweezers. Come here, you Fluff. There you go. Fluff, come out there. Now I'll grab some thermal paste. What I've been using is some GD900. This stuff seems to do the job just fine. If I can get it out of the fresh seal that I've got here. I just ran out of my last pot of GD900. It's come in 30 gram pots, so if you're doing a lot of thermal paste replacement, it's pretty cheap stuff, pretty liquidy stuff. Give it a bit of a mix up. Go, now we're back to its normal consistency. Go. A little bit too much on here at the moment. Reduce that by about half. That's better. Okay, now I'm content with that. Here's where it gets a little bit trickier. Gonna have to fold it back over. But then I also do need to get these two cables back in. So trying to get it on the camera is going to be a bit hard to do, but I'll try and get it on here. I'm going to need my tweezers, I reckon, to put them back on. That's definitely going to help. Fold this over, fold this up. Okay, since the cooler is so thick, it's just happily standing by itself. Okay. be able to get that by hand. There we go, push. If I flip this over, what I like to do is just line up the holes. Where are they? There they are. Line them up. Push down a little bit. Just make sure those cables aren't crimped up or doing something they shouldn't be. They're looking where they should. These guys could be tucked in a little bit, but I can do that after the fact, I reckon. And from here, I'm going to start with just simply doing the small screws. Just loosely. I'll do 2 down here, 3 up here. Work my way to the middle. Why aren't I doing these guys to the die first? No real reason in particular. You can do those first if you like, but I'd rather make sure that both the ends are straight and after, yeah. And then it's all going to line up and it's not twisted and skewed out. Right now, I'm looking just fine. One. Really need to tighten up a huge amount. The thread on them's pretty short. There we go. Let's go over these again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Thermal paste has been replaced. Ooh, my man. Has been replaced on the Gigabyte AORUS 3080. Hope that helps you, and I'll see you guys later. This is going to go meet the air compressor to get out this dust in between. Hopefully it's just sitting on there, and then I'm all good. Bye.